Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the squad room doors next to lane 60. Two years ago, here at the South Point Bowling Plaza, this team put together multiple top 20 finishes en route to the top of the team all-event standings with a 99-83 total. Derek Magno led the group with a 21-42 individual performance that was fifth in regular all-events and included a 300 game during team event. He was followed in the effort by Joe Conti Jr., 20-84, Steve Meyer, 1995, now three-time Eagle winner Anthony Pepe, 1953, who also bowled a 300 game in the 2011 doubles event and is a 2017 regular team and 2017 team all-events champion. TJ Mento, 1809, Magno and Conti also finished fifth in regular doubles. They are looking to become the first team in more than 2 decades to win team all-events in back-to-back years, and their title defense begins now. They'll head over to the South Point Bowling Center tomorrow at 5 p.m. to see if they can recreate the fireworks show they put on in 2019. Please join us as we welcome them back to Las Vegas, your defending team all-events champions. Mento Produce from Syracuse, New York, Anthony Pepe, TJ Mento, Steve Meyer, Derek Magno, and Joe Conti Jr. Presenting our team all-events champions their awards this afternoon is David McCord, nighttime manager on duty. David?
Congratulations, gentlemen, and welcome back to the Oka Championships. Today, we'll be presenting you with your championship watches and the Don Carter Trophy. Before we do, however, is there anything that you would like to say to your friends or family here? All good? Then let me present you with your awards, gentlemen. Let's give them one more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Again, congratulations, your team all-events